It's not in the video. No. Just now we came from the beach. Start to rain very heavy. Temperature is the same, 30, 31 degrees. It's warm, but as you see, water rain is really very heavy. You feel like, or I feel like we are in the middle of jungle. I'm shooting from our terrace as there is relaxing, try to get dry. This is our room number 262. That is really heavy rain. That's nice. We came running from the beach. You can see how heavy it is. This is the first time since we came. It rained. They said it's very rare when it's raining these days, but I think we are lucky to see the rain also because it's a different experience. We have enough sun last 3 days. We got burned, so it's nice to have some rain. Everything will be wet for some time. This is our neighbor. The sky starts to get more light. I think it will stop very soon. We'll go inside to take some rest, maybe until the rain is gone, and then we'll see what we'll do after that.